Hello, traders. FS Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 10th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is very likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of this WXY pattern. I still think it's likely to go up and take out these highs to finish off the WXY. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is very, very, very clearly a wave one. I think this is also very clearly an ABC of two, right down to the 78.6. I think this is also very likely now to be already in the very early stages of a wave three, which will most likely keep going up just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this right here is likely the bottom. I think this right here is a 1. I think this is a big ABC of 2. I think we're already in the early stages of a wave 3, which I think will go up and continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this daily time frame. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this is very likely impulsive down wave A, corrective up wave B, little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. Nice 50% fib bounce, nice impulsive up, nice breaker structure. Definitely looks like the end of a crescent to me, and if it is the end of a crescent, then it will continue to make those higher highs and higher lows, just like I was showing on the daily time frame. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we do have some more dollar news today, and it kind of looks like impulsive down, corrective up, so it does kind of seem to me pretty likely that maybe we will get another move down before we actually go up. The trend is definitely up on the very high time frames, so whether it just keeps on trending up from here or whether it makes a more proper looking ABC crescent is the question. It seems like it should make a proper ABC, but sometimes trying to figure out these subdivisions on the much shorter time frames is a daunting task. It may be in a way B, or it may already be in the subdivisions of an uptrend. Either way, I don't really care much because either way, I will definitely be looking for longs at the end of any pullback that I see for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I take at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.